Hey amazing language learners, and welcome back to Cattaleya English, where I help you speak English like a pro. I'm Kate, and if you're tired of sounding a bit basic, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to supercharge your vocabulary and teach you some advanced words that will make your descriptions pop. Get ready to level up. First up, the word we all use, love. It's great, but sometimes it's a bit too general. Let's add some spice. If you love something intensely, you can say you are passionate about it. For example, I'm not just fond of cooking, I'm passionate about creating new recipes. Or if you really love something or someone's work, you admire. Like in, I truly admire her dedication to environmental causes. Now the opposite, hate. We all have things we dislike. Let's make it sound a little more elevated. If you intensely dislike something, you can say you detest it. For instance, I detest the smell of burnt toast. And if something is deeply unpleasant or repulsive, you use loathe. To demonstrate, he loathes the ideas of early mornings. Now let's talk about funny. We love things that make us laugh. If something is extremely amusing and entertaining, you use hilarious. For example, his impersonation of the politician was absolutely hilarious. For something cleverly humorous, we have witty. Like in, she always makes witty remarks that make us laugh. Moving on to emotions. How about angry? If you are very angry, you are furious. For instance, she was furious when she discovered her car had been scratched. And for a slightly more controlled but still strong annoyance, we have irritated. To demonstrate, the constant noise from the construction site left him feeling irritated. Let's talk about being smart. We all want to sound intelligent, right? If someone is very intelligent and has good judgment, you use intelligent. For example, she is an intelligent scientist who has made groundbreaking discoveries. And for someone demonstrating excellent reasoning skills, we have perceptive. Like in, his perceptive analysis helped us understand the problem better. Now for the opposite, stupid. Nobody likes to be called that. Let's use more descriptive terms. If someone lacks common sense or good judgment, you use foolish. For instance, it was foolish of him to invest all his money in that risky venture. For something that shows a lack of intelligence or reason, we have illogical. To demonstrate, his argument against the proposal was completely illogical. Let's talk about how easy things are. If something is very simple and requires little effort, it is effortless. For example, she made learning the new software look effortless. And if something is simple to understand or to do, we have undemanding. Like in, it was an undemanding task, perfect for a beginner. Finally, the opposite, difficult. If something is very challenging and requires a lot of effort, it is challenging. For instance, climbing that mountain was a challenging but rewarding experience. For something that is complex and hard to understand, we use complex. To demonstrate, the theory of quantum physics is quite complex. Alright, time to test your new vocabulary. I'm going to give you 3 sentences with a basic word. Your mission is to replace them with an advanced synonym. Let's see if you were paying attention. Sentence 1. I really love going to the forest. I'm passionate about going to the forest, or I admire going to the forest. Sentence 2. He was so angry when his flight was cancelled. He was furious when his flight was cancelled, or he was irritated when his flight was cancelled. Sentence 3. Learning a new language can be difficult. Learning a new language can be challenging, or learning a new language can be complex. How did you do? I bet you are already sounding more sophisticated. I hope you found this vocabulary boost helpful. If you did, please subscribe to Cattaleya English for more lessons to improve your English. In the comments below, try writing one sentence using one of the advanced words we discussed today. I'd love to read them. Thanks for watching, everyone. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Happy speaking!